Living life safe is the most unsafe thing you can do. What does this mean? If I have learned anything in my life, I have learned do what makes you happy. Please trust me. And if or when your interests change, it's okay to end one chapter in your life and begin a new chapter. Maybe a happy beginning, or maybe a happy ending. We all know Steve Jobs' opinion. If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? I'm pretty sure Steve literally means what he says. And Ray Bradbury said, jump off the cliff and build your wings on the way down. I'm pretty sure Ray doesn't literally mean for you to jump off of a cliff. It's what we might call a metaphor. Embrace what you love and jump into a new chapter in your life. You can live your self-sufficient life on the beach in a Hawaiian shirt, in the city in a dress shirt and a tie, in the woods in a flannel shirt, or wherever. Why? Maybe you survived a bad divorce. Maybe you survived a hurricane or a tornado. Maybe you've survived the death of a child or loved one. Life's fragile, so get on with it. If you aren't happy, take a leap of faith and believe in yourself. You are never too young or too old to begin a new chapter, a happy chapter in your life. Are you allergic to Mondays? And Tuesdays and Wednesdays? It's interesting how our brain works. As Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. If you focus on why you can't do something, your brain will give you a bunch of reasons why you can't do it. But guess what? It works the other way. And if you give yourself a reason, just one good reason to do something new, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Do something you don't normally do. Take a chance. Take a risk. Take a leap of faith and see what happens. You just might find yourself doing what makes you happy. What's the worst thing that might happen? Believe in yourself. Take a good, long, hard look at what you're doing right now. You can live your self-sufficient life anywhere, and you can start a new chapter in your life whenever you want to, with a happy beginning and that happy ending. The world is full of people who live life safe. You want to do more in your life. You know someone that needs to change their life. If only they were willing to jump off a cliff. It's a metaphor. Believe in yourself. Ask a question in the comments. Share with a friend that needs to change. We truly want you to succeed. Live life doing it yourself.